Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, guys? What's up? It's a little bit late. Sorry about that. I was up very late watching the presidential candidate election poll collection show. I don't even know what that would be called. And I can hear myself. That's interesting. There we go. Now I can't. Wonderful. Cameron, good morning, man. Yeah, sorry I was a little bit late. But let's get some game dev going. Good morning. It is November 9th, 2016. It is day 38 of Knightfall. 38 days. Danny, good morning, man. Yeah, you should be watching that. I saw your little message on Twitch today, and I was like, I can't. I'm focused on working on this this Streamlabs thing instead. You see, I got a little bar there for Greenlight now. We got progress. Now we have a little bar for Greenlight, and we can be happy. It's wonderful. I don't know if it completely works. I switched over from StreamPro to Greenlight to Streamlabs. So we're gonna try to make it work. I have a feeling the thing on the bottom's not gonna work. Like the biggest donator won't work anymore. It might. I don't know. So yeah, let's hope that's all good, right? Let me know if it's too tiny for you guys to see. Also, since we were offline, Factulas, thank you for the follow. If you ever watch this video back, you'll know that you'll be in the credits as an end-game supporter. What? You'll be in the in-game credits as a supporter. I still haven't had all the coffee yet. And yeah, man, that was going on with that. They have a desktop app for that with nice files. Nice files which OBS can read. Oh. Wait. What? What? Like I said, I'm not completely awake yet, buddy. You have to film me a little slower than that. This is still too loud. I turned the volume up because we were watching on my computer. That's a little better, I think. I don't remember what I had it at. That sucks. It's better. Here we go. And this is... Let me make sure everything else is working too. That's always working. That works. The event list should work. Stream Pro overlay should work. Night Dev. Hey, everything bugged. There we go. We're good. Alright, so, Cameron, just in case you didn't know, man, we got featured on a couple things yesterday. Or a couple things over the weekend-ish stuff. Our game was played on QuasiJam. Knightfall was played on QuasiJam, which happened on Friday, which was wonderful. I got video of that. And then it was played on Game Dev Company yesterday, which I can't get the video for some reason because that video doesn't load correctly on their video on demand. Everything else works fine. Like every single one of their videos work except for the one that I want to pull. It buffers forever. It's funny. But because of what they said, we're gonna make some edits today, and we're gonna try to do some stuff. So we're gonna try to show the flicker speed a little bit slower, and we're gonna increase some hero vision. We're gonna remove some borders so it doesn't look like a tile-based game anymore. All right. So that's what's going on with that. So first thing we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna change. So let's see. Let's working on feedback updates. Oh, I figured this Streamlabs alert box or the donation goal thing was going to be in the way of the what's it called? It was totally going to be in the way of the night dev guy. He won't be there anymore. Wahaha. Okay. All right. I haven't heard this game soundtrack in a long time. Currently playing. I have too many things I gotta edit, guys, and these have to happen like by itself. Final Fantasy. Yes. There we go. All right. So we need to bring up the main menu script. And we need to change. Nope. Wait. Light flickers not inside the main menu stuff? I don't understand what's happening. Hold on a second. Script. Light flicker. Main menu. There we go. Okay. And oh, I just need to do it in the settings of the game. So let's open that scene. And then let me know if the music's too loud, guys. Keep me on the update. So the intensity check might be too fast. Let's see. Let's open it up. Let's bring this to 0.1. .15. Zeti, what's up, dude? What's going on? Good morning. Does that look better? Does that look better for the light flicker than it did before? Does that look like is it too slow now? Hmm. I think maybe it's too slow. Let's do 0.12. That feels a lot better, actually. Let's do this. We're going to change it to 0.12. Camera license that it's in. Increase the min value. I can. I'll do like a 20. Oh, so there's less variance. Gotcha. 20. Oh, I didn't see what it was like before that. 15. Okay. And then 20. That looks better, I think. That looks much better. Let's do that. 2015.12. Perfect. There we go. 1545. I can try 1545. Let's see how that looks. I do like how 15 looks because 15 makes it look like it's like an actual flame, and 20 might be too strong. So oh yeah, 1545 definitely looks better, dude. I agree. Good call. Good call. Save it. Now, I've gotten multiple complaints that you can't see enough. So we're going to fix that. Because I don't want to hear that a million times on the Steam page. Yeah, definitely. Okay, so, lighting. And let's see which way we want to do this. Do we want to bring this up a little bit? 0.6, 0.4, 0.6, 0.4, 0.6. That's about what, like a half block radius? I think a half block radius would actually work, right? I don't know, guys. Do you think that's gonna be good? Let's do it. Let's find out if this looks better. Let's change the range to 20. No, that's bad. I like the range of 10. 10 is, I think 10 is still too big in my opinion. You should not have light flooding out to there. It should only be to your. It should really only be to. No matter what, it's always gonna be 100 times better than some of the excrement that gets through green light nowadays. Cameron, thanks, dude. I appreciate that. You rock. See, now I wish like 5 would look good, but it doesn't give you. You see, not even one block, right? At least this gives you at least a block and a half. Let's change intensity. I think the intensity I can't change. No, intensity looks ugly. So what if we went to negative 0.6, and then we brought the intensity down? Let's see how that looks. I guess that looks better. Kind of encouraged me to want to be on Steam as well. Dude, Vandy, I thought you were going to submit to Steam. You weren't going to submit? I can't even hit that guy yet. That's not good. That's not good. I know why I can't hit that guy. Real fast. Quick little fix. Player, character, loading text, main menu, audio manager. Dude, Vandy's game is awesome, Cameron. It's called Beans Inc. It's a coffee barista tycoon game. In first-person mode. It's a first-person coffee barista game. It's freaking awesome. I've been watching them develop it for a while now. So cool. It's in 3D. Obviously, because it's first person. It's great. I'll back it. If he went on Greenlight, I'd back it. If he went on everywhere, I'd back it. Kickstarter. Hey, if you go to Kickstarter, I totally want a Krasenstein coffee thing. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Look how cool this is. Look, I like that everyone's got a Fu Manchu. That's the best thing in the world. Yeah, Ozzy, what's up? Brew, brew, brew. Logo first concept, multiple items in a grav line. To show where the drop is going to be. Customers. Look at this cookie oven. Look at the cookies. Look at the cookies. Freaking love your game, dude. It looks so cool. Your game and Watery Tart's game looks awesome. His animations look so good. Shall we bet some Revlo? Should we bet some points today? Holy crap! I have a lot of points. YOLO. Wow. All right. All right. So stay focused. Stay focused. Here we go. All right. We've got. Okay, so we increased the light radius a little bit, right? I mean, I think it looks It's definitely a little bit more, right? You can definitely see a little bit. I increased like the height of it. All art will be replaced. I'll stick to the grid though. It'll be easy and saving. Yeah, and so what I'm gonna do now, guys, is actually like I feel like you can see too much now, right? Because you can effectively see 3 bars, but I guess that's not a bad thing, right? Ah, damn spiders, damn butt spiders. I'm gonna get a T-shirt. We're gonna get a T-shirt made, guys. It's gonna be a butt spider. It's gonna be one of these spiders in pixel art, lunging away from the character. And that's what we'll make a shirt for it. Which is a butt spider shirt. Sounds good to me. Alright. So I think that's okay. Change the intensity. Crash, your country definitely got headlines over the world. Yeah, Ozzy, I know. We have a new president. It's terrifying. It's terrifying. But it can be. I mean, we have to deal with it. So I think I'm hoping high hopes. He has no politics experience at all. So I'm hoping high hopes that he actually does well instead of just, you know, puts the country in flames. Then I'm just gonna have to move to your house, Ozzy. My wife and I are gonna have to move in. Hope you're cool with that. So we're gonna go watch you race some F1. This was gonna happen. All right, let's see. Even you're scared. You're not even in this. You're not even in the country. You don't have a reason to be scared. All right. I have to now also open. So I'm gonna try something terrifying. You know, trying things. Trying things sucks, dude. Okay. We're gonna try to remove the iconic grid pattern from the game because it looks like there's a giant grid stopping you in this game, right? Um, and so if we remove the extra border, if we remove both borders and re-export this, what? Why does this look ugly? Hold on. It needs to be seamless, and it's totally not being seamless right now. Do 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 do. Look how unseamless that is, guys. The Canadian immigrant site crashed. I didn't even know about that. That's crazy. Okay. So for this layer. Okay. And also for down there. Alright. Use pixel to create seamless stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I just need to bring the first iteration of it in. Right? Nah. Okay. And then nope. This one. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I'm planning on having every block on the grid more or less be the same thing because I'm not doing extra walls. You know, I'm actually doing 5 different walls, and we're gonna create a sprite sheet as part of it. So, and the sprite sheet's gonna be made on Pixel Edit. Whoop whoop. So I just need to fill this in first, which I can do that there, right? So let me do this. Save as. Let's see. Save it here. Save it here. I just need to get rid of that border. See if it looks better without the border, right? And we're gonna see what happens. It's probably gonna take most of the day today since we did start 30 minutes late. It's gonna suck. But we got about 32 minutes left, so we got lots of time. Pixels. And it's going to be a folder called PST. And this will be called floor walls. Okay. Like this. And we bring the ground in. See, and the ground's already seamless. So all I have to do for the ground is just resave the copy of the ground. Ground 1, ground 0. Hold on, I don't know which one that is. Okay, that's ground 0. Ground 0, replace, and then ground 1. Replace. So that already should look different. That it does. That really looks different, doesn't it? Do you guys like this? I mean, it's so different. But do you like that there's no blocks anymore? Should the walls stay blocky? There's an idea. Should the walls stay blocky? Let me know. What do you guys think? Do you kind of like that the walls have a block to them? Like, this is interesting. This is very interesting that it's seamless like this. I need to make a ground, a little script that goes on every single ground piece. I have a ground as a prefab, right? Yeah, grounds are prefabs. That changes out the, actually not a lot nicer. Thanks, dude. Should I do that to the walls? Right? Should I keep the walls in that, I mean, it completely differentiates it if we do it this way, right? If I don't do anything to the walls, it's now completely differentiated that it is a wall. Right? So what do you feel about that? Do you feel like I should just go all block or all border or no border? Kill the grid? The inside blocks of the wall look different. It should look different. Yeah, you're right. You're right. And when you're right, you're right. Yeah, I'm gonna have to add small items in the level. Yeah, I'm planning on like little rocks, little like nicks in the ground, stuff like that, right? I just want to bring this file actually, so we can do that now. New 6x6. All right. Yeah, totally didn't tweet today. I suck, guys. I am completely off everything today. Today's I'm gonna go to sleep and wake up again. All right. We'll start over. Spiderwebs, extremely small torches. Moves those that neatly light up when you shake a light on it. Ooh. Spiderwebs are interesting. I can't draw spiderwebs, but I'll figure it out. Extremely small torches. I don't know if I want to include. So maybe like torches that are out that are not lit. I'm a pretty big proponent of not giving player vision. So. Alright. There we go. Watery Tub, what's up, team? Only light half a block. Ooh, okay. So like real small point light when you're in that room. I like that idea. Okay. So like it would like the light would turn on, it would flicker a little bit, right? That would actually fit the aesthetic, I would say, right? That wouldn't be actually a bad idea, would it? Definitely for the laundry rooms, like the boss room. Ooh. Ooh. I kind of like that. Alright, let's bring this guy into Photoshop. Right? Yeah. Bring in this guy. Come here, you. Yo, Water Retard, dude, you had such a fun stream yesterday. Like, my wife and I were talking about how fun your stream was the entire night. It was a good time. You can entertain a group of people pretty well, dude. For real. It was very cool. Okay. We're gonna take this one, put it here. We'll put like a couple rocks in it. Can you guys believe how orange the ground is in this game? Isn't that crazy with the lighting? Honestly, he did a bunch, man. He streamed easier because you guys were there. Well, we wouldn't have missed it, definitely. He streamed some Overwatch. He streamed. What else did you play, man? You played Overwatch. You played Hyperlight Drifter. There you go, some game dev. Having people chat it makes it more fun. It really does. Just hanging out. It's like it's this group of people that you didn't think you'd ever be friends with because you're not near them, and then all of a sudden there's a way for us to all like hang out. It's pretty cool. I like it a lot. All right. How is Funny's bot going? Is it pretty cool? Mm. Mm-hmm. Because it's a small community, dude. It is. It's a small group of friends hanging out. Oh, you broke it? That's funny. That looks real stupid, guys. Gotta keep the color scheme going. You know, put like a fissure in the ground? With like a little like They tried to help Mo's code and his internet ripped and water is gone. Oh no! Looks like a little variance, right? I'd say it's a little variance thing. What I should have did is I should have put a different layer, but it didn't. So now I want to copy that. So what if we just like kind of like let's fix that. Holy crap. Okay. Come on. doesn't look terrible right there. Let's make it a little thicker. Most stupid mistake. So he was working on the 8-ball thing, returns random answers. I was questioning about the electron, and replied, "Not sure. Should ask Coach Carter about it." That's great. That's so funny. So what I'm thinking of doing, guys, is I'm thinking of adding 9 different variants of the ground. You making camouflage costumes for yourself? Yeah, man, totally. I'm thinking of making 9 different variations of the ground, and then putting a script on the ground object that changes the sprite to one of the random ones, right? And that'll happen on awake before anything happens, so it's predetermined. And so actually, kind of like every time you start the game, it'll look a little different. It'll look pretty neat. It also might crash the game because it's going to be about 1,000 pieces of ground. We're going to see how it works. So there's that one. How do I make pixel rocks? But like rocks you can walk over. What's another idea, guys, besides a crack in the ground? That'd be a good idea. 1,000 pieces of 32 by 32 pixel stuff. Yep. Oh, it's gonna be a mess. I'm excited. Excited for this mess. Excuse me. I'm trying to figure out. Like, you type in pixel rock, and there's rocks to show up in the beginning, and then it's just people's hands with the rock paper scissors stuff, and like the let's rock symbol. Stupid. Upgrade the texture to 4,000 by 4,000. Maybe some rocks, small stones. She's a witch. She's a witch. Very small. What else floats besides witches? Very small rocks. Alright, so let's do another one. I guess the other one will be like, maybe the other one I'll just remove. So I just go like this, and then I grab this section. And I go like this. Put it right in the center. Boom! We turn on its side. Okay. Do like this. Paste it. Bring it over here. Turn it this way. And then we fix it. Because Pixel likes to do that. Some bits of green. Ooh, moss could work. Definitely. I like that idea, guys. You guys rock. You really do. That's too much. I have one white. There we go. Ooh, actually like that there. There we go. Okay. And then we just double lap this. I'm calling this double lapping. It's a new art style. Okay. Moss wouldn't be a bad idea. Let's do that. So let's try to figure out how to do moss. It's gonna be like some kind of like lighter green color, like this. Isn't moss like a lattice though? Something like this. Moss has got like a lattice style to it, right? Am I going crazy about that? Come on, can you guys at least show me what I'm doing? Can I like not look at the wrong slide on here? I guess that works, and then we'll change the color a little bit. We'll make a darker one, darker variant. We'll go in here. We'll do it like this. We'll go down here. Yo, I don't know. Like something about nothing against different languages, dude. But when you're, I need to listen to no words when I'm coding and when I'm doing stuff like this because I start focusing on it. I'm like, well, I don't even know what they're saying, man. And that's my ignorant American self coming out. That's vulnerable, isn't it? We'll do one of these. That works, right? It looks like moss. You guys see moss there? I think I see moss there. I told you about the stream yesterday. Definitely casting, man. I was not a fan of that at all. You didn't like the. You didn't like how ridiculous. So the one guy that called out the Minecraft sword, kind of rude. Like I understand it's an alpha, bro, but also I mean, like you guys watched me make that sword. Like I made it from scratch. So I don't know. The sword is totally Minecraft. You okay, man? Like I mean, I'm just like mine actually has much more, a little bit more detail than the Minecraft sword, in my opinion. I use it as a reference because you know why wouldn't you if you're making a sword in a pixel art? Is this too little for the moss? Whoops. I don't know. Oops, I'm not trying to save it. Not yet, at least. Down with the shit. Okay. Pixel art says look up a pixel art sword. Yeah, man. What are you gonna do about that? We'll do a up and down one of the moss as well. Why not? People don't seem to get that Minecraft didn't create pixel art. Yeah, yeah. And the thing is, though, the problem with when people were watching the game dev company stream, a lot of people there don't make video games. They just watch full they play finished video games. They don't ever see alphas. So like when it happened, they were freaking out. They're like, "Doesn't look right. It looks stupid. Doesn't look right. This is so stupid." This is gonna have a little bit more of this. Bring a little bit of this up here. Whoa. A little bit of this up here. Rotate it. Rotate it. Come on. Rotate it. Hardly recognizable. Wonderful. And like the community at all. That's cool. Yeah, I mean, I don't care for the community there. I just kind of I like Bjorn. I think he's a good guy. I think he means well. He gave me some really good ideas, right? Let's just try 6 for now. Large amount of kids that know gaming through Minecraft. Yeah, totally. A lot of kids do that in every aspect of it. Now, you know, don't knock Minecraft though. I mean, because Ozzy is actually freaking awesome at building on Minecraft. Because he builds like those giant towers and stuff, man. It's freaking cool. So don't entirely knock Minecraft, guys. There's some good to be had. But yes, there are a huge amount of kids that don't know anything else but Minecraft. Absolutely. Floor spreadsheet. Export. Image. Floor spreadsheet. Pixel. To sprites. Should have called it a sprite sheet and not a spreadsheet, but who cares? Who cares, guys? Alright. Now, the interesting part, right? We're going to see if the game crashes or not. Yes. Multiple. 32. Sprite editor. Yes. Hey. Slice. 32. 32. Slice. Yay. It worked. Point. No map. True color. Apply. This is a game with it's a game with others, but kids don't know when they think it's the first pixel game in the world. I think, yeah, man. But it's one of the kids that know games through Minecraft. Every aspect of it, and that age some time to spend on the web. Yeah, a little bit. They don't. What else are they gonna do, man? They come home from school and they play some Minecraft, and then they don't listen to their parents. What else are they gonna do? Crap! I didn't grab breakfast. Vandy, you're supposed to remind me for breakfast. Be right back, guys. Calling Vandy out right now. Bro doing paddles. That's cool. Cheerios. Yeah, working in after-school care, and the kids there love Minecraft, but they eventually moved on to Undertale and games like that. I think it's pretty cool that they're experiencing games like that instead of AAA stuff. Dude, that's awesome, Watertart. I didn't know you worked at after-school care. I didn't even know you did anything but game dev. I thought you just sit in your room all day and do game dev. Just kidding. I'm sure it's a very cool job. Very rewarding to watch kids learn about new games and stuff. Alright, let's see. So we're going to see if this looks right. First things first. I'm the realist. We need to change the names of these because it's going to be way too annoying to type in. So floor 0. Part-time, gotcha, dude. That's cool, though. Sometimes you go to university. Just sometimes. On the very rare occasion. 4, 5. Very cool. Easy. Apply it. Alright. So no, I need a new script. We'll be able to do this real fast. It won't be too hard. I don't think. I hope not. Floor randomizer. Alright. No. No. Yes. Yes. And we need to do a public sprite array of floor spritz. Floor spritz. 10 out of 10 student. Nice. Yo, the thing I hate the most is soggy Cheerios. Private sprite renderer. Sprite render. On awake. I want this to happen before the game starts. So it's determined already. I want the sprite renderer to be called. So we gotta collect the sprite renderer. And then after that, for Gotta eat them before the integrity level of the bowl. Before the integrity of the bowl is compromised. Dude, I know. I don't want to eat bad cereal. Wait, I have to cheat. I have to look at one of my other scripts. Where's my random drop script at? Random drop. Well, I forced that, don't I? Jeez. That's not the right way to do it. Guys, don't follow what I do. Okay, so for int I equals 0, floor sprites. Come on, floor sprites dot length. Public bool sprite chosen. God, I can't spell. Sprite chosen equals false. It shouldn't be doing a for loop. It should be a random. Alright. Alright, and then we're going to do a floor random. No. Random floor. This is a little cleaner. Void random floor. For I know what to do here. For if I equals 0, I is less than floor sprites dot count dot length, and then we're gonna go int random equals random dot range between 1 and 100, between 0 and 100. Yeah, we're just gonna hard code this. If so, I need 6 values. I did this wrong, didn't I? 120. Between 0 and 120. So everything is a fair chance. So if floor sprites dot I is that the right way to do it? Yeah. Floor sprites dot I equal is less than or equal to 20. Yep. And then we got then we got sprite render dot sprite equals floor 0. That'll work. Now you just change the value. Wait. Cannot convert string. Oh. Then that equals. Got it. That equals floor sprites 0. There we go. Okay. There. Identifier expected. You totally have an identifier there. Is this the wrong thing? Bracket. What did identifier mean? Identifier expected. Yo, am I doing for loops wrong all of a sudden? Hold on. Do I have any for loops? I think random drop is a for loop. No, it says if. Actually, that's a better idea. We're just going to get rid of this. Get rid of this. Bring all this back one. And if random equals 20. Okay. And floor chosen. Nope. And sprite chosen equals false. There we go. Sprite chosen equals true. This is totally mushy now, dude. There we go. 6 times 120, 100, 80, 60, 40, 1, wow, come on, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this equals true. If chosen equals true, return. Okay, so this should label. This should check first if it's random. Also, if floor sprites is equal to null, sprite renderer dot sprite equals floor sprites 0. There we go. So now I'm going to the prefabs and then lock. Actually, I can just go to ground, and then I can go back to scripts. It's a floor randomizer. There's going to be a bunch of these. Wait, I didn't hit the right thing. I thought I hit the lock, but I hit the static. All right, let me see. Where's that lock at? I don't know where the lock. Oh, there it is. Crap, dude. 701. All right. Just gotta get this to work. Put them all in here. Boop. And it should work. Oh God. It worked. It definitely worked. But I forgot to change something. I feel like there's no. Is there no diffuser on the color? Hold on. What did I do? Like, why is the floor such a drastic different color? Ground. Why is the color so different? What did I do, guys? Why is it so different? Maybe this needs to happen at the bottom. Oh, they need to be else's. Alright. So else. 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 Not else. It's just regular. It kind of worked. We got a really bad color problem. Like, it's deciding to... Like, the moss looks cool, but it's deciding to turn orange. I don't understand. I don't know, guys. But alright, it's been fun. We didn't get it fixed. I thought it was going to work. It didn't work the way I wanted it to. It sucks. Maybe the material needs to always be diffuser for all of these floors. How do I... You can't set a material on a sprite, though. Right? You're not able to set materials on sprites. Like, it's because it's that yellow. Wait, is my ground always that yellow? My ground is not that yellow. What is happening? That explains that, dude. So there's something happening here. Oh, I have a hue saturation thing on here. That's right. I suck. I suck. Okay, that's the problem. Is that this is the issue? Is that I have a hue saturation thing, and I don't think you can add. I don't think you can add that on Pixel Edit. Dang. All right, guys. Well, it's been a lot of fun. I had a great time. I hope you did too. If you're not following yet, hit that follow button. You can find out when we go live every single day. Also, you get to hang out with us in Discord. You get to hang out with us, you know, after stream hours, stuff like that too. You'll also be included in the end game credits. But I hope you guys had a good time. I do have to run. Sorry about that. And until next time, like I said, thanks for hanging around, guys. I hope you had a blast. I did. I had a lot of fun until the floor didn't work right. Floor looks stupid. So I'll see you guys. I'll be on Twitch probably during the day, just kind of hanging out. So yeah, until then, guys. Next time. See ya.